Welcome to DJ's Prestige and Sports. We've just acquired this lovely Mercedes A200 AMG with a lovely specification. It's finished in grey with a gloss black upgraded alloy wheels. AMG. Start. In the AMG, it's got the bigger rear diffuser and twin exhausts. This one does have park distance control on the rear as well. Boot area is in lovely condition. It's got the rear parcel shelf. It's got the AMG special interior, which is the half leather Alcantara with the red stitch piping. Electric windows, electric mirrors. Sport seats to the front. Automatic headlights. It's got cruise control. Got satellite navigation, Bluetooth connectivity, audio, air conditioning climate control, 6-speed gearbox, multifunction steering wheel. Drives are absolutely lovely. DJH offer full dealer facilities including finance, warranty and part exchange. For any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.